At 321, we strongly believe that everybody in the organization are teachers. So you need we want to be someone who can show you what needs to be done, who can jump in when you fail and then again teach you how to do it well by giving you feedback, by giving you that practice, and keep calling out the things that you do well, keep calling out the things that you need to work on more. And we have different platforms for those, whether it's inside classroom or outside classroom. So inside classroom, there's a lot of observation that takes place. So me going into classroom, observing teachers, looking at things that they are doing well, things that could be better, and then having a debrief with the teachers and just reflecting upon the practices. That's one way. So whether it's me, Nandita, or Gaurav being in the classroom. The other way is there's a lot of improvement in the practice happens by co-teaching. So a lot of our teaching is two teachers teaching together, and I think that's been one of the strongest thing, because you learn so much just by observing others, and that's what our teachers have been picking up a lot. Like if there's something that my co-teacher is doing and I should be doing that, and I'm just going to start taking that and implementing that. Or if I see somebody doing something that's not working, so I might just jump in and say, Khushbu, why don't we change this? So that way, that's another way of mentoring and coaching, which is not direct, but which is not explicit but implicit way of doing that training. That's those are some of the inside class coaching. The other thing is we also have one-on-one check-ins with the teachers, just to go back and look at how they're doing personally, professionally, emotionally, and to kind of look at some of the things, celebrate the things that they're doing really well, look at some of the things that need to be worked on or need to be fixed, and we work together and create a plan in terms of how do we want to go about doing that. So that's like the regular check-ins our teachers have, which are mostly with me or with Gaurav.